today's sound comparison is between the newly released S89 and the JBL boombox 3. We're going to know which one plays better among these two speakers. The total output power for this S89 is 250 watts and that of the JBL boombox 3 is 180 watts. So let's find out which one plays better among these two speakers. And in today's sound comparison, we are going to be using a dB meter app, which is also as accurate as the dB meter device. So with that, we're also going to know which one is louder. So if you find this video helpful or you find this video interesting, do it to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, that's one way you're going to be supporting this channel, by subscribing to this channel. And I appreciate if you share this video so we can also reach out more audience. Now I'm going to say this quickly regarding size. The JBL boombox 3 is almost like a little boy comparing it to the Zealot s89, because the Zealot s89 is bigger than the JBL boombox 3. So I don't really know does size really matter, and does the 250 watts output power actually matter, because I've seen some cases whereby some speakers with higher output power actually got crushed by speakers with lesser output power. So is that going to be the case here? Let's find out. So I recommend you use a headphone or you play from a louder speaker so you get a better sound experience regarding the sound comparison we're about to do right now. And I advise you watch the video to the end. That way you're going to know which one actually played better. If you're interested to know more information regarding their future, price, and all that stuff, you can check out the unboxing video I did on these speakers in this channel. I did an unboxing video of the Zealot s89 and an unboxing video of the JBL boombox 3 where I talked about their futures, and price and all that stuff. So you can check that out. And at the ending of this video, I also share my opinion with you guys regarding my experience and my observation. So if you're that person and you like the beats that I'll be using on this channel, you can check out the beats in this channel as well. I've actually uploaded some beats and I'm going to be doing more of beats, uploading them on this channel as well. So you can check that out. If you enjoy the beats, you can also, support by actually watching and listening to the beats I upload on this channel. Those are beats I actually took time to make myself, so I hope you enjoy them, and do it to drop a like and let me know your opinion regarding the beats. So get ready, it's going to be a banger because we're going hard on the Twitter and the woofers of these speakers. Let's see which one bang the most. So this one is definitely major, so I'm not going to waste much of your time. You know why you click this video. Let's get right into it. Follow.
Time spread wings, catch the wind in my veins from the ashes. volume.
Okay, so this one is very difficult. It's obvious that the Zealot S89 is way more louder than the JBL boombox 3. Yes, no doubt about that. I mean, that speaker is a powerhouse, 250 watts. That's massive. And the JBL boombox 3 being 180 watts, that speaker did great as well. The Zealot S89 is louder, and the bass is very difficult to tell which one actually has more bass, because in some cases the bass from the Zealot S89 is just way too much. The instrument separation of both speakers is great. The JBL boombox 3 is more calm, and the Zealot S89 is more sharp. In my opinion, I would say the Zealot S89 has a better sound stage compared to the JBL boombox 3. But however, the mid, the low, and the high is great on both speakers. And regarding battery life, the Zealot S89 takes the win in that category. Now, I have a video I did recently about the Zealot S89, how you can actually enjoy that speaker, because that speaker has a little, would I say downside? Yeah, it has some little downside to it, but it's not that much. You can check out that video so you know how to enjoy that speaker if you really want to enjoy that speaker, because it's a great speaker. But like every other speaker out there, they have their pros and cons. So I have a video where I actually talked about the Zealot S89, the newly released Zealot S89. But regarding bass, I say it's a little bit difficult to tell which one actually has more bass, because in some cases the JBL boombox 3 kind of deliver a much more neat, clean, deep bass, and the Zealot S89 in some cases just has way more bass compared to the JBL boombox 3. So considering that price, the JBL boombox 3 is way more expensive compared to the Zealot S89. So if you don't have that much money to go for the JBL boombox 3, if you have the Zealot S89, trust me, you are not missing anything. The Zealot S89 is just as good as the JBL boombox 3. Yes, you get that from me. The bass is just so good. Like sometimes it's even better than the JBL boombox 3. I won't lie. The JBL boombox 3, on the other hand, with the JBL unique sound, is amazing. At all level, it actually delivers a good balanced sound. But the Zealot S89, like I said, I did a video on the Zealot S89, so you can check that out to see the pros and cons. So if you want to go for the Zealot S89, trust me, you're not going to regret it. It's an amazing speaker, better for party, with the live feature and all that, and the bass and the loud sound. Trust me, that speaker does too much. So if you have the Zealot S89 or you're looking to get the Zealot S89, it's a good speaker. Go for it. It's definitely worth the price and definitely worth your investment. We're going to be dropping more comparison later on in the future, so do it to stick with me. So that's it for today's video. Do it to hit that like button if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Until next time, peace and love.